हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? स्मार्ट स्पोकन इंग्लिश जीटीआर वेलकम्स यू। आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको स्पोकन इंग्लिश के कुछ और नए टिप्स देने वाला हूँ। जनरली मैंने आपको बता दिया है टेंस का किस प्रकार से प्रयोग करना है, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर सभी टेंस का प्रयोग करना है। फिर मैंने मिसलेनियस सब का प्रयोग करना बताया। आज मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको थोड़ा सा कन्वर्सेशन। जैसे कि मान लीजिए इस रूम के अंदर हम खड़े हैं, तो इस रूम के अंदर ही हम इंग्लिश बोलने की सिचुएशन कैसे क्रिएट करें। जैसे कि hello friends, I am in this room and this is really very lovely and beautiful room. In this room there is a beautiful watch and the timing of the shows by the watch is 10 o'clock. Okay. And this room is spacious and this room is situated near the temple, so sometime the sound of a bell comes from outside. This room is very good, full of facility, where all the facilities related to the study. We can study easily anywhere. It has a study table and so many chairs. Sometime my friend also come to meet me, so they sit on the chair. And this room has two fan and two lights and one tube light. Two fan, one is working and one fan is out of order. It has also a projector. It looks like a studio or it looks like a coaching institute. Generally the projector is found in coaching institute. And this room has a beautiful smart board. This board is for teaching and for learning also. So when I need to search anything, I can search on this board. Okay. So I generally study here for 3-4 hours. Then I go to library and I study there. And this room has also a tap for fresh water. So I take water from here. And this room is separate room. Nobody disturb. So I think this room is really very beautiful. So we should watch this. You should come to this room. When you come, I offer tea to you. Okay. So generally we can speak and we can make a situation. Okay. When there is a watch in this room, so having seen the watch, we can make a story that time is very important for everyone. The time we are spending is not a time but a gold. That is why it is said time is gold. We should not waste it. So I'm not using so many offensive sentence. I'm using very common and very easy sentence to make you speaker. Okay. My intention not to make myself superior, to express myself very superior before you, to expose myself a very superior that I have a too much knowledge of English, but my intention to teach you English from very basic level so that you can speak confidently. Okay. So when we talk about the room size is very big. So this room is called the spacious room. It has a attached let bath. So at the time of emergency we can take shower or bath in this room. This room is very good, and one gate is open to the balcony, and another gate open directly to the veranda. After that we veranda, where from where we can go easily anywhere. And there is also the projector. So it is looking like it is not a room, it is like a classroom. So some of my friend come to meet me when we study together here, and my family member also come in this room. Generally I do not allow anybody, but I think family members are allowed always. I cannot oppose them. Okay.